Hi everyone, Wayne Williams here from Profunda Analytics. This is an introductory video for our revolutionary software system, Profunda Voice. What exactly is Profunda Voice? First and foremost, it's a business intelligence system, which means it helps people analyze their business data using charts, grids, and reports. However, it's unlike any other business intelligence system currently in the marketplace for two reasons. The main reason is that it allows users to perform free-form navigation. That is, to ask questions and get answers in whatever sequence they want instead of following pre-programmed paths. Let me show you what I mean by that. In most BI systems, your options to explore data are limited. When you see something of interest, you typically click on it to drill down to the next logical level of detail. For example, say that I'm interested in the Olympus location group in this chart in the lower left. If I want to know the details that make up its data bars, my only option is to click on them, which causes the system to navigate to a second dashboard. This second dashboard shows me information on all the locations that make up the Olympus group. Likewise, if I become interested in a location, I can click on it, which brings me to another dashboard that now shows me information on all the zip codes that are served by that location. The problem with this model is that it's both limited and rigid. The fact is, I may have 100 questions about the Olympus location group, many of them having nothing to do with location or zip code details. Profunda doesn't impose such artificial restrictions. For example, if I want to know the trends associated with the Olympus group, I just say, show trend Olympus group. But from that same spot, I could have just as easily asked about the changes that have taken place in the Olympus group over the past year. Show change Olympus group. Or I could have compared the Olympus group to another location group. Show compare Olympus group with Camelot group. I could have asked to display all the group's patients on a map. Show map Troy group. I used a smaller group for this demo so that we wouldn't be drowned in a sea of patients. As another option, I could have asked to see an endless number of breakdowns of the Olympus group, say by doctor. Show pivot Olympus group. Add doctor. Remember how you could only see locations and then zip codes in a typical BI system? Here you have unlimited freedom. Remove doctor. Add procedure group. Remove procedure group. Add location. Add zip code. Remove all columns. Add gender. Add age. Add visits per patient. Add days to pay. Add dollars paid versus dollars billed. In fact, with 14 different fields and 13 different measures, this one dashboard alone can show you 1.1 trillion different layouts. And that's not even counting the unlimited combinations of filters that you can apply. But Profunda's real power lay in its ability to combine all these dashboards in any order you want, refining your questions and your data set as you go. Show change Olympus group. Show pivot optical department. Add doctor. Show trend 1. Show map July 2018. Show payment. You can even go round and round using the same tools in an iterative investigation of your data. How do you know what to say? That brings us to the other main feature of Profunda Voice. It's easy to use voice control system. One of the things that makes it so easy to use is that it has only 4 base commands. Add adds an element to the current dashboard. Remove removes an element from the current dashboard. Show navigates to another dashboard, and run runs a program such as an AI analysis program. Now here's the part I really love. These commands are applicable to every single dashboard. Finally, there are two Profunda features of special interest to large organizations. The first is the ability to apply Profunda Voice to any dataset. Up until now, this demo has used data from a large medical clinic. But watch now as I apply the same tools to a military prototype. What you're looking at is a summary analysis dashboard for violent incidents in Africa. Down here, in the lower right section of this summary analysis, we can see that a major player in these incidents is Al-Shabaab. Is their activity increasing or decreasing? Show trend, Al-Shabaab. Looks like it's increasing. Where are they operating? What kind of events are they involved in? Show pivot. Add country. Add event type. They seem to engage in quite a number of battles. Where are these battles taking place? Let's look on the map. Show map 1. I could go on, but the implications are the same. Almost all of Profunda's core interfaces apply to every dataset, and all those interfaces are controlled by the same 4 base commands. This means if you're a large company organization and you have multiple datasets, you can apply Profunda Voice to all those datasets with 90% code reuse and greatly reduced implementation costs. Because the system involves only 4 base commands, you'll also enjoy reduced training and greatly reduced cross-training. Profunda's other feature of interest to large organizations, and arguably its most important feature for the future, is its support for artificial intelligence, or more specifically, targeted AI. Why targeted? Because while AI is vastly superior to human beings when asked to process vast quantities of data, identify hidden patterns, calculate optimal plans, and assess likely outcomes, it is notably weaker than human beings when asked to understand new situations intuitively, determine relevancy, and adapt to unexpected circumstances. The very skills needed to focus AI where it's needed. AI systems also tend to do a poor job of showing users how they reach their conclusions, leaving decision makers uncertain of their validity. Profunda was designed from the outset to eliminate these weaknesses by combining the best of both human and AI capabilities. It allows users to understand their data world by asking questions and refining target datasets using interactive voice-controlled analysis. It also allows users to invoke any Python or R AI algorithm against a target dataset using Profunda's run command. This in turn can lead to an enhanced analysis or solution, which users can then assess using the same interactive tools they used to trigger the analysis in the first place. Stay tuned for our full-length video on this subject.